You need a room, you need something for the kids then. You know, so at least you have more space. And I have 16,000 as well to hear for you from Will, from Canada. 16,000 here. Will.
10, 15, 16.
From Will, from Canada. So we're going to surf, you know, but first you know how to have a surf at the beach. You know? See how a fisherman then I catch 2 fish. See if him catch nothing yet. Whoa, you should bring something for swim. Long thing not going to reach the water though. Yo, the water nice now, why them come over here? Yeah. Alright, that's what we did the other day. Water nice.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Now we're here in Tower Hill, so we're here in Tower Hill now, come to see Elizabeth, you know, mother with the 7 kids. So back here now in Tower Hill. Hello. She not reach yet? Really?
Traffic more.
No, still left back. Holy probably she there. Took it. Yeah. They made a burn out some. Place look much lighter now. So light. Whole heap of space now, whole heap of space. So give thanks to our extended family. We thank you so much for help out this situation. As you can see, you know, the place is getting more lighter and lighter. So there's not much left to get rid of. I have to big up Pablo as well too. Big up yourself, Pablo. You know, Pablo pay for the truck. You know, pay for the truck to move out and things. Oh, see the zinc in there?
Oh, you see that?
See in there?
Okay.
The zinc that we should buy is on the old stop right there. The right of a prefect it. The zinc that we should buy. Yeah man, so she have a whole heap of space as well too. So at decent space she can come all the way out. You know, so guys, so Elizabeth is on her way. She's not quite here yet, so I guess we'll reach before her. So any minute now she'll be turning up. You know, turning up. So we thank you so much for helping out Elizabeth's situation, as I can see. You know, she's doing work. You know, the yard has been cleaning up. You know, so I got 2 donations here that I brought for her since I'm on my way from Spanish Town. So I guess I will stop by. But yes, it's been a journey. It's been a long day. You know, it's been a long day. It's been so, the road is so busy because of the Christmas fest season. Imagine how the road is busy. Downtown is packed. Everybody getting them goodies for Christmas right now. The place is busy. So trust me, if you want to get your Christmas stuff, you get them from early if you're in Jamaica, because the place is too busy right now. Too busy. So guys, so stay tuned. You know, we're gonna give her some donation. So just waiting for her to turn up. We are leaving from all the way to Spanish Town. In a car, you know, how much traffic we go through Denise.
I'm not sure. She never leave out.
She never leave out, yeah. Of course.
You want to find out if you will leave out before she.
Talk the truth. So easy we find out. Exactly. Because I know she never leave out. Because I said, no, man, it's impossible for we get so far and where you're coming from is closer.
About an hour now since the day here.
And we'll reach and here waiting in style. Oh, no. So how is everything?
It's alright, it's not so far.
Alright, so I'm coming to see the yard.
Some of our obviously they were saying they come last, so them burn out now. Some of them take up and dash way, and the rest burn.
Okay. I'm just say grinding, like naturally that's a grinding slow but grinding still. Shall go and put in the work.
When they come last, they met yesterday they have looked
Yeah, last time we have some rubbish or so we can't say it more clear up. So each time I come, I less work, right? So them rubbish are supposed to gone by the next time. And then your father still need them?
I move them, man. I take them.
Take them. Okay, come here. Saturday. So you're the one Saturday, right here?
Yeah, she's busy.
Okay, I'm just going to tell us how you're due to that Saturday coming. 2 cents. Yes, Elizabeth, so today we have 2 donations for you. Because it's been a long day for us. You know, so they come drop off 2 donations here for you. We can help out with getting some materials, right? So you don't start by anything yet, as you say? Saturday. Okay.
So as we buy them for the weekend, we can call it, come and make a video and show the viewers.
Okay, but don't buy any cement yet. Unless when them are going to start dig. Because if you buy the cement, you probably get hard for you.
Yes, that's true.
So if you go buy, just buy the black and you with sand and gravel. Yeah. So whenever them are going to work, you can buy the cement as how much they're going to need. Okay, if you start buy that now, it get harder. You know?
So that's why I never buy them money because we don't want to finish clear up that we can get the so clean way. Like how this done now. So simple something.
Yeah.
So we can start them now, we can buy and put them in. Actually the things that needed as well.
Yeah.
Alright now for the things and pack them.
Yeah. Oh, so I get them with budget?
Yeah.
Can get discount down there, right?
Probably, yeah. Like for
Christmas.
They don't have them check with them discount.
Yeah. So your sister will work down there, she must can get some discount. Of course. Cause what, 20% discount you get?
Yeah, boom. 20% discount. A 20% discount.
So the same percentage can work over when you buy. Alright, then so you can buy some black, you know, starting off. So at least the next time we come now, we can show them, say, alright, then see here the process start. You know, so. Yeah, man. Alright, so give me the donation we have for VC beds. Alright, then so. Sorry, then so we have.
What can you stop? You know where I go.
So we have 5,000 as well here for you from Patricia from the UK. So we have Patricia here from the UK.
So 1, 3, 5. That's since 2001. Thank you, Miss Patricia. Thank you for your support. Continue to support as God continue to bless you and guide you and lead you. Thank you very much. It will be well spent on the material for the house.
That's how it goes.
Sure.
You have to go face the sweet music. You know, it's your doings. It's your doings. So at least I say you stop right there. That's the last, right? No more. There's more sweet music you can hear. I like our Christmas now. What present you have to go buy? I can't even get no present because you have to go buy block and cement and steel, sand and gravel.
Pack up this, all of the black them in some present bag and show them that this are the
Yes, this are the gift. You know, because you need foundation, you need a room, you need something for the kids them. You know, so at least you have more space. So I have 16,000 as well to hear for you from Will, from Canada. 16,000 here. Will.
10, 15, 16.
From Will, from Canada.
I Will from Canada. Thank you for viewing my videos and sending your support. May God continue to bless you and to guide you and to make your food basket never empty. Thank you. God bless.
Yes.
Continue to support as you give your help and your support. It will be well spent on the material for us.
Yes. So we give thanks, I will thank you so
Thank you
much.
for all the viewers, other viewers and all the other team and all the other supporters. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Alright, so
And then Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
she's a very shy mommy. You know. I wonder if I saw she shy when I give him birth. When I give birth. The nurse said push. Baby, you're not shy.
I'm on the pain over, I'm not shy. Get this one, get over it.
Yes, strong mommy. Then so we give thanks to Will, you know, we thank you so much. And Patricia, you know, as I can see.
Supporters, so thank very much. We reach far. Because if it wasn't for the supporters, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you all.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So we give thanks to our extended family, you know, for helping out Elizabeth and her situation. You know, as you can see, you know, as I say, each and every day, when days goes by, we always get new viewers, new donors come on board. So just in case if them watching and them wondering what happened, you know, how comes, you know, by the donation given out, you know, what's our situation. So we're going to show them again the situation, you know, because we have to always show it. Camera come in. Camera come in. Run, camera come in. So guys, so this is Elizabeth's situation, you know, we have to always enlighten and what's going on. So that's the second to last boy. You know, she said that is it after him. So this is Elizabeth's situation, how she's living. She's got 7 kids, you know, and this is their confined space. You know,
very small, so we want to extend so the kids then can have more space and can be separated from boys and boys separated from girls.
Yes, so with that the situation, as I can see, you have 3 bed here, you know, a bunk bed and a bed here, and over next room as well to where the kids are over there, but them running from the camera. So we're not going to invade them over there because they're already over there hiding. And she have a bathroom here, you know, where you see she's trying her best. Same way, you know, this is her bathroom situation, you know. So as you can see, inside from outside, you know, this is her situation here, you know, and it's really sticky. So as you can see, she really need help, you know. She have to use a machete. She have to use a machete to hold up her roofing. So this is why you see our donors, our extended family reaching out to help her, because she want to try and expand, you know, because the house is falling apart, you know.
We need a space for the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, boy and girl can't mix together. They have to separate and they are getting big. So I'm just seeking everyone else to just come together and just send your support to your help so that they can separate the kids, the boys from the girls and the girls from the boys. So, and to have a better
future for them, right?
future for them.
And so that is it. So we give thanks to our extended family. Pablo, big up yourself.
And thank you,
You know.
Pablo, for all your every question. Thank you.
Yes, so Pablo, you know, reach out to make it know so the yard is cleaned up and everything. You know, so this is Elizabeth and kids. So Elizabeth, as I say, next I will come. I'll see black in the yard and thing and the yard I go more clear up. And that's the situation right there. You know. So that's the second to last. No more.
Yeah.
So draw the line.
Everybody be there.
Yeah, run for the video for you. Don't the night already, you know. Door run. You know, door run. So guys, so this is it. This is the situation. So if you can reach out, no matter how small it is, you can send $1. No matter how small it is, really appreciate it can help us. So that's the window. Before it wasn't no window there, it was always open. So whoever don't reach out and buy the windows them so she can have more privacy because there wasn't no window there. And then so we give thanks, Alright, Elizabeth, so we're gonna run, you know, it's been a long day. Alright, Elizabeth, take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Until
And thanks here for what you're doing and everything. Thanks to all my viewers, Pablo and all the other team. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Love you.
Hey, when you get kiss, hey, when you get that big kiss up on the screen, you know, watching. Alright then, give thanks. I mean, when we test wherever I was there, no man, not even collide. No, we're not gonna.
Oh,
the same thing with
them pass through, see me come to work.
I mean, then I pass through, come to work one at that time, man.
Oh,
food of eating, man.
Yeah.
I was the Christmas I come in, and I come in nothing.
It's a food of eat.
Food of eat that time.
Oh, you're a friend now?
No, we're not really a friend.
Okay. Pass me, I come check Daddy Irie. From
check.
No, Daddy Irie from down there, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
The money man. No money man. You don't know where?
Daddy man.
Daddy man.
I'm artist name Daddy Irie.
Yeah, come on, you don't know it.
Yeah, I'm come check man because somebody watch him man and send some films. I never link you know, you know.
Then go link him and fall back then.
Yeah, I link him and I go walk on the beach and come on back. Yeah? One trench. One trench town. Wait, so you're the chef?
Yeah man, one bad chef man, jerk pork, jerk chicken, everything man, one of them sir.
Yes,
One bad chef.
Show off on the chef.
You even roll out, so there.
Barber's dark, you know, one dog bark.
So what that spot your name?
Danato, him officially done. Him one of the son who represent this organization. You see him take?
Yeah.
All seafood. This is all seafood.
Anna better buy.
Genocide.
Anna better
So
buy.
be a man there, go on this video where you want to be.
Yeah, what's she there? So be man this.
Wife that's some man, see how the man.
Wife hello, Kino, you know. They said name Anna better buy.
Me name Sharon, Anna better buy business name.
Okay, and you name Sharon, and you name Anna better buy. So you have to them come get the proper fish and everything. Yeah, and you're located exactly near the pool as well, right next to the pool, right? So she's located right next to the pool, so see the pool there. And this is the wifey of a good friend of ours. So what else we have there now? So you know, so when them come, them can see what them getting.
We have fish and lobster.
Everything fresh. So them get everything fresh here. Anna better buy.
No, see lobster. We see lobster. Lobster.
So yeah, them get everything. So today we have a fish fry going on.
Yeah, we have a fish fry going on.
Done to order. Oh. Ready for go fry and fresh.
Yeah, fish fry.
Everything I've done
Yeah, man,
to
we have
order.
everything, and we have bami, and we have drinks, everything.
Yes.
And see bar there.
It's a nice chill spot them can come and sit down and chill, have them drink.
Sit down and hear and listen to music.
Listen to the music and things. Yeah, and the man say pure seafood him eat, that's why you see him big so. Pure seafood. Just.
Anything the man all road dead in the man.
Then, cool man. Yeah, how much?
A young boy,
Young boy man. And the man not live now yet. Pure seafood. See that wow? That feel him good, mommy.
Yeah, I'm a nephew.
I feel well man, well, pure seafood.
You're from my baby there.
So that means they don't worry about chicken and it's pure seafood.
Pure seafood.
Pure seafood. Seafood boss. So you know the one goes so. So we have the curry fish, we have the mutton.
So that's why they live for this because they know me not eat it.
Okay. So them leave to share the mutton because they know me not eat it. So I want to deal with the fish because so much fish you thief out already from there.
You know me not thief out none. Them a watch me on the
They
pot.
don't watch. So when you share the mutton, they not for watch,
No.
right? Because they know you not eat that. See them man himself, man, the famous son, country. Wow, chef. You watch a movie, Countryman?
Yeah, we supposed to see.
Same son here, you know?
Yeah, Countryman and Sundays.
Yeah, Countryman Sundays.
Father man.
Say next brother there.
Me not have more brother.
Are you alone?
One sister and one me.
One sister, one brother.
You watch a movie, Little Countryman? Sundays.
The first one, daddy. The other one.
Remember where sister there.
The jump on the beach, young Lester.
So the big man them pass long time.
She teacher screw up her Lester. My chance in
What kind of soup?
Chicken food.
No, I don't eat chicken. I straight seafood man too. Straight seafood.
How much?
Countryman himself.
Fish there.
No, man, a chicken foot I have
No, I'm not
rich bad boy.
I'm a vegetarian now. Yeah, see if she has my gusto.
Seafood them on
Let's do two. Kong soup.
Kong soup more, you know.
So guys, so this is the kitchen as you can see with the fire. Blow, oh, I didn't say you forgot to drop the wow.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
The wow fire.
See there? So I show you nothing change in Jamaica. Still have the all time days there, same way.
Right,
You
yes.
see me I say? If this should have run with gas, you'd have to have a big tin out there so. If you can run with coal, you'd have to have bag coal, see there? Real good.
Shit, that's good.
See them there? Real lock with them man, we just put them on one side and split them up so.
Then I make the food taste much better.
You see, you cook the rice and peas with them out there. I make the pot warm and lock it back. Yeah man, give a nice taste, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so.
That flavor.
All time thing that change, we have it same way there man. I'll be a vintage thing there, same. We will start doing nothing yet. So there man.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Nothing much.
May I come, may I do something, man?
But you say, are the fish gone, pan?
Yeah.
Them are watching now, right? Them are watching, you know. They don't want you too close to the swimmer around, you know. Cause
I don't want him too close to the steamer round, so we have the steamers here, so. Oh. But now watch you, so you can do your thing, me and watch for you, yeah? How you say, man, me and look out for you, but now look so you can do what you want to do. Yeah? Yeah, the egg back lock. Yes, you know, man, swim daddy.
Nah, here, man.
Yeah, my general, so give thanks, man, anything, man, you see me? Give thanks, man, and more strength every time. So we're going to check daddy man.
Do your match, man.
Yeah.
Look after yourself, man.
Every time,
man.
Alright then.
Whoa, syrup, you know.
Yeah, I'm done, man. I'm to look after yourself.
Alright. Oh, alright. Alright, Hercules. No, good. Smell the sea breeze. Water rough. Can't say it rough. Beach, see it there. This is where we are today. Today and the world chef is here and Mother Teresa is out here. So you know they will come check Daddy Irie himself. You know, we have a donation for Daddy Irie, so we'll come give Daddy Irie a check. You know, so we're gonna circle, you know, but first you know I would have to circle the beach. You know, see a fisherman then have to catch 2 fish. See if him catch nothing yet. Whoa, you should bring something for swim. Long thing not going to reach the water though. Yo, the water nice now, why them come over here? Yeah. Alright, just what the other day. Water nice. So the water clean. Nice. The water is rough, it's really rough. All my otter fly off. This is very windy, it's very rough. Guys, it's very rough. So the fisherman, this is the time for the fishing. You know, when it's rough like this. You say catch anything yet? Not really. But I'm saying the best time when it's rough. Have something in there. Oh. Just use them for bait. Okay. But them say the best time when it's rough. Still not getting a bite. So Jamaica flag out there. You see it? It look like somebody ordered some. Oh, so them set it. Look like a man hold the flag though. No, that's so them set it. Look like a man hold it up. Yes, so you can see the water is getting rough. Right at the edge, so imagine it. So it's really rough, you know, but not like, and the way it look like it won't come over right now. Really rough. It's a rough day today here at Nelchan. They come check Daddy Irie himself. Come here, whoa. Rough out there. Yes. Well. Stand off. Can't say, yo, you're coming on my territory, you know. Yes, guys, so we're going to check on the Irie now, you know, because we're here. We got a donation for him as well. So remember, while you're watching, the thumbs up if you haven't put the thumbs up. So welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. You know it goes already, so we're gonna see Daddy Irie, and you know it goes already. So guys, please check out Daddy Irie YouTube channel.
Put today.
Yes, bless him. Eh?
Yeah, put today.
No, I'm leave our one to go here. We're link up.
My friend, you know.
Eh?
Nigga went 2 and chop off my dog, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, dog used to buy cash to go. My dog, no bad artist, man, banks.
Okay.
Like the dog have to fix them with some architecture and chop off here and there.
Yeah.
And this man, I look at it on my YouTube too.
Yeah. Cool man.
Yeah, man.
Say small work, you got yourself man every time, you know.
Cool, man.
We're gonna link up back with us soon, man, you know.
Party, man, here.
I come check Daddy man, I'm gonna come check. Yeah man, bless you. Yeah man.
Tell me now.
You know me, mommy?
Refresh my memory, me get old, you know.
Remember around the summer, me to buy some nuts off for you when your friend is sit down. You remember?
You go to
Yeah. Check that man. Good man, this show always come out of the way with the G-Pass.
Me nah make no care lick me down, man. Me can't manage the pain.
No.
Because when you lick me the amount of pain, me I go feel it not go work.
No. I can't let happen to you right now. That's everything that you catch right on the camera, so you have evidence.
Oh, yeah,
yeah, so you don't have to worry about selling anymore. Alright, take care. Hillstone Craft. Rasta man, resting up. The Hillstone Craft. Yeah man, yes guys, so I'm saying you must always have vibes. LJ is where you get the best seafood, you know, flavored, so nice. Rasta man. Anna Rebel. All is well. Yeah. I hear me see that tell me about?
Yeah man, Malachi man.
Malachi.
Say hi Malachi.
Malachi. Well go on. Blessed. See that no man take it off, you know.
Sure man, colours man. I want to see man.
The beard tonight, right shoe, still have it on, see me. Yeah man. Hello. Yeah, this is a partial link up daddy man, you know.
Yes family man.
Are you spot this as well?
Yeah man.
Okay.
Price to and something man, we teach man. Oh yes man.
See, never know that I go on man, thing man. Yeah, fish and thing there and everything.
Yeah man, everything there man. Lobster belly man. Anytime you're ready, good price. No chop off with our chop off.
Yeah, right, that's a lobster belly.
Best taste. Yeah, lobster belly.
10 years you're working here?
No, come here.
Oh, come here.
Yeah man, I'm eat from us man. Yeah man.
Where you say the best lobster right now in Elcha?
Lobster belly.
Lobster belly.
You can't go wrong that. Believe me man, one day if you give it a try.
Of course, I'm going to try it. Yeah, but yeah, I me never know say that to business, yeah, so I truly see I walk
you know, I walk up and down the things that you don't know you go already, you know, family.
I'm like that, you know, your thing don't stop one place. No matter if you have something already.
A family thing to you, man. The family, them in there, you know.
Of course.
Every little thing,
you know. Yeah.
Do what we have to, man. You see me say, I try them, you know. I want to do my foot, you know. I have to take care of them. I still have to take care of the next two. I know everyone next time already.
Yeah, that is it.
Alright, so they love him out there. They can give him something. Yeah.
So you're creative and bead now.
Yeah, two bead, me that make two anklet, me that make two bracelet and one make the same thing. But two, me just get one soap, me just kind of feel away, so me just get something.
And let's go on, settle the stomach.
Yeah, settle the stomach, just go and get the top one or something.
Yeah, while I'm going and watching cartoon.
Yeah, you know that.
Yes.
Your mama know about Kino, what's wrong with you? Yes, I respect.
All is well. Yes, I recognize.
Oh shit! Yeah, man. Yeah, yo, no man. Hey.
Yeah.
Respect for what you do.
Yeah, man.
And John, I know I say the struggle not easy, you know, but
true.
full of love you send.
Yeah,
to a lot of people.
Yes, I.
So I know, yeah, mom, I know about the way someone.
Oh, I see you see the T-shirt.
She give me
Yeah.
the thing. She said, Kino. I said, Kino. I said, yeah, man.
Cool, man. Yes, man. Bless her. Peace and love.
Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. You know the work I have to go and see me. I have to see what we can do.
Come and know if you get in touch.
Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man. You know. At the day I pass you come check.
The YouTube and everything.
Yeah. So daddy man, I come check. You know somebody send a donation for him as well. So I come check and give him a donation. You know.
Yeah, man.
I know I like him on it same way.
Respect and love.
More strength every time.
Get a phone, we'll take a.
Yeah, man. See them. Lobster belly. 10 years or so. Best lobster.
Yes.
In the place.
Lobster bring it to you. So you just keep coming back, you know, because love and good food, you know.
That is it.
Love and support, because we have to give to others. Don't wait for others to give to us, because we never get nothing.
Sure. That is it. Sure. So right, sure.
Right, like in the sky blue.
Left on the hustle.
Yeah, man, left on the hustle. You can't lick me again if you don't touch me already.
No boss. We don't deal with boss. No boss. Family we deal with.
Yes. No
family. Yeah, man. Never 100 no. I don't think now. We're on there. How much for you? Yeah, support. Even though I'm not eat it, but here, go and sell it.
Alright,
yeah? Alright. Alright then, so we go walk down and check that man, yeah?
Hey,
so bless up. Nice meeting, yeah? Yeah man, alright then Paul, big up. Yeah man, we will. Man. Yeah man, we are league man, you know? Yeah man, we league man, definitely. Now come check out the lobster. No? Yeah.
That's really food. Yes, kid, man. That's why do you think, man. Here, brother. Straight, man.
Big up, man.
Yes, man.
Every time.
Yes, India.
So it's always nice when you meet your subscribers, you know, because I'm saying in life you have to do good, you know, and good shall follow. So it's good for when time people recognize the good work that we do, you know, and it is a good work that we're doing, you know, that people keep on supporting us. So blessed love, you know. Yeah, close.
General, seafood, General?
Good sir.
Alright. Right, that's my pressure to be interested, yeah?
Which one?
Alright, that's one. Yeah, man, can I walk trying to look for it?
Mama floor.
Yeah, man.
Mama floor, see you.
Can I walk trying to look, my General, man? Free of cost, man.
You know,
walk
man.
trying to look, man. Come look, man.
Alright, which one I go on?
Yeah.
So you know we always have to go on the promotion, see me. Mama floor, see food. This is your part. Wow. See the wow? Natural.
straight log out them.
Straight, that's good.
Go up on the front. You can go straight to look, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come in now, you are sure what going on. You give a quick look in. So people when they come to Jamaica, because people are going to see it, you know. Yes, right at the front.
Yeah.
So we see what I'm fry with now, what I'm going with. Yeah. So your business this?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Fish there, I guess so.
Fresh.
Snapper parrot.
You name it. World fresh.
You can come.
World
Can come in, I'm general, man.
Alright.
Yes, I am. I see fireside. You can go.
Fireside. Alright, Rasta man.
Yeah.
You have the snapper then, right?
Yeah, man.
Good evening, my name is Kino. Kino from Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino Life in Jamaica. And the man goes, no, I go on. Bless up, bless up, bless up. See that we get what? So this is how it is. Proper way.
Fresh from the sea. Nothing steer, you get me?
Nothing steer. Fish a busy man.
Yeah, man, hot snapper we call it, you get me?
Hot snapper.
Yeah.
Fish a big from the plate, but all right. To the fire. How kind of wood do you use?
Call it thinking piece.
Oh, okay, so them said that wood will give the food the flavor.
Yeah, man, it is right, you know.
So you know if they want to find, you know.
Right, Mama Flow Seafood.
Mama Flow Seafood. So number contact number just in case.
Yeah, man. 835 2079.
So them can call and order before them reach, right? So it's 1876
835 2079.
835 2079. So see them can get in a lobster, well beef fry, and you can come get in big fish. You know, well big. You know the festival then.
Everything fresh.
These are somebody away from them order right now. Somebody really order big fish there. I'm jealous. All the steam fish or so. And all of them jealous of the person who eat a big fish there. Right now I'm jealous of them.
No, yeah,
yes, sir. Fish man. I'm like for the fish fry. You can see it not burn fry, it's not too deep.
No, fresh oil.
Fresh oil, it's clean.
Yeah.
You know, see no speckle like the oil burn or the oil is too long. It's clean. Very clean. You can see people them change them oil as them go. Straight fresh oil. So you can see.
Man, fresh oil.
Fresh oil.
Again, showing the garlic, the pepper, and the scallion, you know? And the save up the oil.
Well clean. That is good.
Yeah, word, you know, people.
Alright then, big up man, yeah? Yeah man, Mama Flo. So where's Mama Flo? She not there here?
No, she's not here at the moment.
Okay. You want congrats her. Alright, so these are the daughter Flo, right? Yeah. Alright, daughter Flo and son Flo over there, so then big snapper here. Now come sit in, definitely one of them there still. I have to come sit in because I like what I see. So I have to come sit in, definitely. Fish are big, wow. You know me, I tell them man that care at home right now. Go on,
Fresh and nice.
yeah man, yeah, I'm saying man, well fresh and nice. Alright, General. Manners here? Yeah man, you can take the time. Yeah. Come here, wow, like your eye up on a big fish, though. I want to make sure I get them wood, so I never run out. Mama Flo, so guys, you can check out Mama Flo. See there? Mama Flo Seafood Restaurant. Everything here on sale. Yeah, man, I like the fish, they're big. I love how the man fried. The eye cleans, everything does stay pretty. That look like when Oliver fried the diamond fish. Remember Oliver with the diamond fish? Yes.
Oh yeah?
So that. Yeah. That's the Irie place, yeah. I don't know if he's there. Daddy Irie. 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 Daddy Irie Daddy Irie. Daddy Irie. Look like he's not here. Daddy Irie. That lock up. Like he's not here. Daddy Irie. Where's Daddy Irie? Huh? Where's your daddy? Irie. Answer. Where's your daddy? I see you looking at me. Go and call him for me, please. Go on, call Daddy Irie. Go and call your father now. I say go call your daddy. Just stubborn. So it seems that Daddy Irie is not here. No daddy man, please lock up. Daddy Irie. Daddy man. Like there's no daddy man. His phone now work. His phone is not working. I'm gonna call his number. It's just going voicemail. Door lock wow. If I don't lock him, he's not about then. Oh, it's not about. Yeah, I'm more likely. We'll check that side there and see. Because I'm not that side, so. And them phone not even working. Worst thing about it. So guys, I'm here to see Daddy man, but Daddy man is not here. The first time I come here and he's not here. Normally sometimes they go bush. Yeah. Bush him gone. Like how long you reckon? How long you think before him come back? Yeah, before. At this time, right? So probably just give some time.
Yeah man, give some time and him soon come. And I just wouldn't go on for to come back. You know, go and look good and just go and pick them up.
Go and pick them up?
Yeah man.
Okay. Alright, so I give him a little time. What's the time? I give him a little time then.
Go back in the more place and thanks.
Back?
Mommy, are you a little business is right here?
Yeah man.
So you're not open today?
Yeah man, you open. Open today, but I show a lot of sun and blow. That's why I kind of now open them, you know?
Okay. Cause the place.
Special festival and cold beer, cold drinks, everything.
Everything. Oh. Place is kind of windy today.
Yeah man, the place windy man.
Very windy. So that the man always got a bush. Look him. So at the first time I'm literally walking come by this side. You know, I never really walk. Come so far. Okay, so this is the first time I'm literally walking come by this side. Down here so you have more bushes. Okay, so it's the first time I'm literally walking come by this far. You know, I never really walk come so far yet. So meanwhile Daddy Irie is gone. Good. Doesn't make two walk. Let's see. So we see what this side is like. Okay. So down here it's not like it's not really too functioning for business because like everybody stay up by the top. Uncle, you live around here? Oh. I look like you're related to Countryman. You related to him? So you and him son is what?
Oh.
So you released the Countryman?
Yeah, man.
We started the movie? Oh.
Yeah.
I see the resemblance.
Oh.
Yeah, okay though.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me come from, you know?
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh. Long time you live here?
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself here.
Yeah.
Big up, big up. So, can guess it's not really too sound, you know, as they can hear the way him answering. It's not too sound. Yeah, because all him say yeah, then him not really too responding too much, so you can know it's not really too sound. But it look like they're coming from the same family, like Countryman and Daddy Irie, you know, the Indian look. Peaceful over here, but it seems like, yeah, it really seems like much business not really to take place down here, as you can see, you know. It's not many too much business take place down here, because everyone is, all the business up by the top. There's not too much business down here. So down here is like just a where you can freelance, like you can see business used to take place, but it's not that successful down by this side. So everyone have them business up by the top, by the entrance. So on this side now you don't really got no one come down here to do anything, as you can see. It's all open field. First time I'm coming literally this side. Okay. So over there is like where they have the guest houses over there, you know, and everything. So you can come over. So you have used to have business here as well, but it seems like, I said, no business taking place around here anymore, because all the customers them stay at the front all the way up there. But if you come down here, there's nothing going on. Nothing at all going on down here. But down here you have more sun apparently, but imagine here down here have more white sand than up there as well too. So imagine that. As I'm walking down right now, down here have more sand space as well too. So I don't know why the business is not really booming down here. But as you can see, down here have more sand space, you know. It's more sand down here, like how we know Elcha. This was a sand space and thing. Wow. Look guys, there's more sand space down here, so. Dang. So you can see, there used to be the beds, seats there where the people used to sit down. Yeah. And you have the bars them right we used to be there, but look like they're not working anymore. But here you have more sun along the beach, you know. So I guess all the business now is back up that side. So there's no business down here for some reason. I don't know why. This is like the abandoned part of the beach, where abandoned because no business not going on taking place down here. Down here is like the abandoned part where black interest and everything. But we have to find out what's going on and everything. Why there's nothing going on down here. Blessing General. What go on down here, so? No business not go on down here, so again?
Yeah, man, dance over here now. Dance over here now weekend tomorrow.
Oh, them keep the dance over there?
Right here.
Oh, right here, so. So they use down here, so just for events. But no business not really go on like selling food and anything down here anymore?
No.
Alright, is it, what cause it? Because I can see like the place kind of mash up down here. Is it the storm or something? What cause it?
From the storm in past through them just kind of.
Oh, from the storm pass through them just. So everybody put them business up by the top. Okay.
And the one of the hotel control it.
Oh.
Next week Saturday took it over here so.
Okay, so it's the...
Took it land motive over here so.
Oh, chug it.
See trucker come in and so.
Okay. Okay, so the hotel response for here?
Yeah, over here.
Okay, so I guess them said the hotel response for over here, so I know, and this is where they mostly keep events and them things. So from the hurricane pass through, them keep all the business them just down back that way. Okay, makes sense. So daddy man, I'm waiting on. So guys, the movie Countryman, this is Countryman house. This is the famous man Countryman house.
Died about 5 years ago.
Oh, how long ago him died?
About 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Wow, so the house still remains the same?
Yeah, his son stayed there.
His son? Oh, the short one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him up there so earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, the house remains the same. Classic. You know?
Looks like it's gonna go for another 50 years.
50 years?
Till the water take over.
Yeah.
No, it's been there for almost 27 years.
27 years?
Yeah.
Wow. Famous Countryman. I have to go rewatch that movie there. Countryman. Definitely. So guys, so this is the house, the famous house, the Countryman. The movie. So if you watch the movie Countryman, this is the house here. Countryman movie. So this is the house. Still standing strong. You know, still here, same way. You know, classic movie Countryman with El Chabish. You know. So this is the house, same way. Pan the beach. Pan the beach. So this is the house, Countryman house. Hey, you're right. Huh? What you said? YouTube, yes, I'm a YouTuber. Countryman. I'm gonna leave Daddy Irie. Famous Countryman, you know?
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino.
K-I-N-O?
K-I-N-O.
K-I-N-O?
Life in Jamaica. So once you type in Kino Life, you'll see it pop up.
You see Sweet Jamaica. You get inside, outside.
Sweet Jamaica?
Yeah.
You did it?
Yeah, that's used to be Countryman, but we run the site now.
Oh, you run the site now?
Yeah, it's called Sweet Jamaica. It doesn't call Countryman.
Okay, Sweet Jamaica. So I should check it out. So you live here?
Life?
Yeah, in Jamaica. Yeah. So you live here?
Yeah, me built one over there. Me and Countryman's daughter.
Okay.
That's my wife.
Oh, Countryman, that's your wife. So you're in a Countryman family. Yeah, man. Guys, how long now Countryman was living on this beach, man?
Before this, he was in Discovery Bay.
Discovery Bay. And he come down here.
And then he come down here. About early before 2000, he came down and built this.
Okay.
But he built one nice mansion over there too.
Yeah?
One of the big hotel.
Okay.
He took over.
That's after in the movie?
No, that's yeah, after the movie.
After the movie in Vienson. Okay,
the
then.
movie was released in 82 or
82, right?
82 or 84.
Was that the only movie
No, he did so many other movies, but that was the one.
That got it.
The Black Wall.
Oh, is that his daughter?
Yes, Chuck.
Oh, that is daughter. Hello, because we meet the son already, so this is the famous Countryman daughter. Hello, this is Kino. Yes, the famous Countryman daughter.
I'm gonna check your site, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yes, you can check it out, Kino Life in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, you know, circle around and thing. Yeah, can do one with a sweet Jamaica as well, right? So guys, so you can check out sweet Jamaica as well. So this is the famous Countryman, the movie. You know, this is his daughter. What's her name? Shuku. Okay, Shuku. Yeah, man. So you're Indian?
Last time I checked, I think I'm Indian.
The last time you checked?
Yeah, daddy, half Indian, half black. Mommy Indian.
Okay.
So, yeah, about 3/4.
3/4.
Black skin.
But you got the hair though, so.
Yeah, man, you get hair around, don't you?
Yeah. So you got.
You go up on the road and come back. The breeze so high.
Yeah, the breeze.
Hair all over in your face.
Yeah. Shuko. So the famous house still standing strong.
It
you know?
go through so much and we still like trying to keep it because
yes.
then the house kind of weird, you know, not have no middle pole in the middle.
Okay.
So we put one light post there, so one at the top, one this, one this, still the funny.
This should be a heritage, like a museum.
I want to try turning now one. That is exactly what you want to do.
Yes.
Little set it up because we're teaching over there, so.
Oh, you do teaching as well?
Yeah. We work up at
Elta Park Basic Elsha Park Basic School. Okay, you teach up there. Okay, yeah man, this need to be.
Class round at the front. You can walk around at the front gate, you know, so the gate right there. You can walk around.
Oh, okay, that's where you have the system. Okay. You see it come up?
Yeah man, you got almost 40,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Yeah man, get in there man, get in there.
Yeah man, you're doing good.
So this week I will definitely reach a 40 this week.
No, but you're doing good, you keep updating and updating.
Yeah, every day.
And you're?
She's
Little.
every day man, every day. I put in the work every day.
If you come down one of the day,
you will see me on the program.
Yeah man.
Huh?
where you from?
No. Originally from Trenchtown.
Oh, alright.
Bob Marley Town.
If you come down, one of these days there is one hidden cave.
Here?
Yeah, there's one hidden cave right there. You can take tour and do video.
Yeah? I'll definitely come back, come do that.
Cave there.
Yeah?
I'll do my recording, you'll do your recording.
Yeah, and we'll do a collaboration.
Yeah.
We definitely can do a collaboration, man. I do some cooking, we'll get some fish or something, I would just cook. Can do that collaboration. Yeah, cause
Nice to meet you guys.
Alright, Kino.
Alright then, big up, yeah? Yeah man, alright then, take care, yeah?
Excuse me, sir, what's your name?
Kino.
Kino?
Yeah, Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino Life in Jamaica.
Oh yeah, my uncle always watch your videos and I love them.
Oh, your uncle always watch my videos?
Yeah. Yes, I love them. They're so beautiful.
Thank you. Tell your uncle say you met Kino. Okay, where is your uncle?
He's at work.
He's at work? Okay, so tell him that you met Kino, okay? High five. High five. High five. High five. High five. No. Daddy Irie, I know we don't see Daddy Irie yet, guys. We haven't seen Daddy Irie in a long time. I think we have to come back another time. So I guess the next time we come back now we can do the collaboration with Sweet Jamaica. Should I get him number, you know? Yeah. Let me go take him number.
Can you take a picture?
You want to take a picture? Selfie! Come then. Come then, get a selfie.
Cheese!
Cheese!
Hold on.
Oh, storage full?
Yeah.
Wow, I have to delete something. So I got my friends and here want to take a picture. Hey. The storage is full. How many stuff you got in your phone and your tablet?
A lot of stuff.
Too much.
That's not too much. I have 16 on my tablet.
Your tablet got space? Oh. Tablet. You ready now? You think? Alright, come then.
at the shop.
Oh, let me check out your business then. Come and check out your business. Come.
One.
We'll burn some time before daddy man comes, right?
Come,
show me
mommy,
what
come. Hush.
Come show me what going. Come show me what going in your business, man. Before daddy man comes. Okay.
And Sunday we are doing opening.
Oh, Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you have the opening this Sunday. Wow. So we can come for the free fish.
No.
No free fish. Oh, we can, what I'm gonna get free? Anything free, I'm coming for it. Wow.
You can get upstairs free.
No, I'm gonna eat that. I'm a vegetarian.
You will get fish then. You will get that fish.
Alright. Sunday. I like how you set up this thing. Wow. So what's the name of this? What's he gonna call it? Iron Gate. Iron Gate. Come to Iron Gate, mommy. Is that your mommy?
Yes. No, she's my mom.
Your mommy. And they're on. Okay, so Iron Gate looking well ironed out. Looking nice. I like your view. Wow. Iron Gate. I'll go out, man. Look. This is a nice view here for Iron Gate. Very nice. So it's literally right on the front. You can come sit down and eat, guys. Wow. Iron Gate. Look. See, there's business over here, you know, so you know, so the competition is really up and running, you know. So I guess, you know, Elsha, you always get a lot of people always come Elsha, so business never too much, you know. Yeah, you're in there already. You're in there in the video already. You're in the video. Okay, so you're gonna be selling fish too? Yeah? Okay, well it's nice here. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's very nice. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna shoot it in the water. No. You shoot it, let me see.
No, let me do it. Let me do it.
Alright, shoot it. No, let she do.
She's gonna show you because she's the expert.
Yeah, go on, expert. Hey, well, yeah, I like it here.
The last one of my R's over there.
The last one?
Yeah.
Iron, yeah.
It's over there.
Oh, it's in the water.
See that yellow thing?
Oh yes. You can go get it. Like it. I like your spots. So I like your spots. So I guess we can come bust a buckle at any incident, right?
Yeah.
We can come bust on the celebration. The opening is this Sunday, wow, chef. Yeah. This Sunday is the opening.
It's more like because it's not complete.
Yeah.
We're not finished renovating.
Okay.
So we have a round robin and we'll push back the round robin for how much time now.
Oh.
So we say, alright, whatever it is.
Yeah.
We'll start working it
Until it complete.
No, that's a lie.
Yes. So might as well you say, you just do it that way. Oh, we have upstairs?
Yeah.
So you're going upstairs next?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's almost ready, you know.
Almost.
Just like master.
I know you have to wait for the complete thing, but
sometimes when you have a vision and that now come to life, it's kind of frustrating, but I guess you just have to work with it.
yeah, you have to push on.
Yeah.
Because it's more than good enough right now already to open, you know, to what I see. Of course, what I see.
You don't feel it.
You don't feel it.
Weird.
Guys, tell me what you think, you know, it's very lovely here. This will be the sitting area where you come and eat, you know, and you have a little sun at the middle now if you want to rest your foot in the sun. You know, the table will be out here. You have the next part out there where you can sit down. A nice view as well too. As you can see, it's very nice, very nice. I'll try later. You try now, you try. You try. Yes, very nice. Wow. This is lovely still, I'm not lie. You know, guys, what you think? You think she should do the opening? Tell me what you think. Because she said it's not fully completed, but you know, to me it looks nice. Ready for road. Ready for road. Wow, far. Sunday. Yeah.
And it now to my perception. Don't say that.
Wow. Well, it's very nice though, as we can see, place very paint nice and everything. And she had the kitchen here as well too. Kitchen is very nice as well too. So see, she's preparing. Wow, I like even the cupboards them. Very nice. You know, she got the cooking part over there. You know, and she have her woods them stack up already. Lobster. Yeah. Wow, so yeah. That man is very nice. It's a very nice place she have right here. Everything new, you know, so she got buy her pots there, sets of pots, everything is brand new spoons and everything. So yes, I really like the look, you know, brand new fridge, plastic still on, you know, sink where you know you can come wash your hands, water flushing, you can look on yourself in the mirror and see if it's very nice, very nice. So this is the outside right here. Right in front of Daddy Man, and I know Daddy Man cannot reach us yet, guys. So, and it's gonna rain heavy right now. It's gonna be raining like hell. It's gonna be raining like hell now. Well, guys, we never get to see Daddy Irie. I'm saying the time is running out as well too, and we have to go. The rain is going to tear as hell, you know, so I really need to go. So I would have to come back again another time from seeing the Irie. You know, that Irie, I was here. I never get to see you, you know. That Irie, I was here waiting for you for an hour now, you know, until I end up shooting all different types of content. But now I got to go, Daddy Irie, but we'll definitely catch up again soon, you know, because we got a donation here for him. You know, but too bad he's not here, he's gone to the bush, you know, so blessed love, guys, blessed love.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Irie Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.